Guys, it's Dipsy here.
And Poe. And today, and the train is coming today.
Oh, Japanese boy, do you feel alright?
No, I have a fever.
Okay, just go home. We'll see you later, Japanese boy.
Bye, and I need washed.
Oh, okay. Oh, hello! It's me, Mickey Mouse.
Oh, hey, Mickey.
Hello.
Are you waiting for the train?
Yes!
We are too! Hey, guys, it's Iggle Piggle.
We have a new character. It's Tinky.
Mario.
It's Tinky Winky.
Say hi, Tinky Winky. Hi.
How are you
We
doing?
are waiting for the train. Yep.
Why you saying uh-oh, Tinky Winky?
Because I don't like going on trains.
What? You don't like going on trains?
I'm nervous.
Me too, because in case like it breaks down.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I think it's coming.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
May, big girl, go on first. George! George, don't forget your wedding. Your wedding day is tomorrow.
Can I go in the baby seat?
Sure can.
Boing.
Poe! Hey, Poe!
Yeah?
It's George's wedding day tomorrow.
Congratulations. Hey, George, wait for me. I want to come in, even if I'm
Wait for me! When everyone gets in the train. Okay, everyone is in the train.
there.
Let's go!
Next stop.
Is the front garden. Oh, there's some chatting outside of the train.
Hey, Tinky Winky, doesn't that hurt?
Yeah, definitely
Oh. It's not for me, guys. Lala has gone for her makeup.
This is going to be a